आज मैं आपको वेक्टर से एक क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूँ और ये क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम whose diagonals are vector d1 and vector d2. How to calculate the area of parallelogram? We know the area of parallelogram can be obtained by the cross product and magnitude of it. Suppose the two adjacent sides are A and B. Cross product and its magnitude gives you the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. So I will use this concept in this case. Suppose one of the diagonal is AC represented by vector d1. Another diagonal is d2 which is BD. Vector BD is represented by vector d2. AC, vector AC is equal to vector d1. Vector BD is equal to vector d2. Suppose these two diagonals intersect at O, or take any point P. Suppose they intersect at P. So that vector PC, now can you define the vector PC? The vector PC will be equal to the half of the vector d1. So this vector will be the half of vector d1. Vector d1 divided by 2. Similarly, the vector PD can be defined as half of vector d2. Now we have two vectors. One is d1 by 2, other is d2 by 2. If you consider a triangle DPC, area of triangle will be the half of area of parallelogram. So this area of triangle DPC, area of triangle DPC can be obtained, that will be equal to half of area of parallelogram formed by adjacent sides PC and PD. So it will be parallelogram formed by PC cross PD. This magnitude gives you the area of parallelogram. It will be the half of area of parallelogram. So vector PC is defined as d by 2, vector d1 by 2, cross vector PD is defined as d2, it is d2 by 2. 1 by 4 is outside, d1 cross d2. Now this area is the area of triangle DPC, and if it is a parallelogram, these area of the parallelogram will be divided into 4 equal parts. So the area of parallelogram will be area of parallelogram. Which parallelogram? ABCD will be is equal to 4 times the area of triangle DPC. So it will be 4 times into 1 by 8. It is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, it is 1 by 8. It will be equal to d1 cross d2. 4 to the 8. So you can easily obtain the area of the parallelogram with the help of diagonals. That will be D1 क्रॉस D2 मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इट एंड हाफ ऑफ इट गिव्स यू द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे, ठीक लगता है और सब कुछ समझ में आया है तो इसको लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आपके अगर और भी क्वेरीज़ हैं तो मैं इसको और डिस्कस करूँगा, आगे और एक्सप्लेनेशन करूँगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।